Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Dryen clothes dryer often becomes charged with static electricity. While drying, clothes often become charged. Why does a clothes dryer often generate static electricity? Short circuits in the dryer charge the laundry. Heat from the dryer charges the air and produces lightning. Clothes with metal pieces conduct electricity. Clothes rub against each other in the dryer and create friction, causing a buildup in electric charges. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.